disease Bema Ubia Aquapa. Had your latest and hot news in enemy Bremo Aniti Selina subscribe Bomodian say we will subscribe to the channel. Your bayan say over click the subscribe button. Now what belly notification we answer. You could be about uploading for the first person outside I can ASRD. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up nothing. Share my offer for sooner when you be here now we and somewhere else. Afriyie boraye and somewhere Akoto your consul. Agyapadie book wire in Sammy Bria, a more fortunate share abasai Kweku Annan what to be the money Dennis Miracle Apadi our number who defend the Sabuki and Kweku Annan Alpha Anyakwado wire pasa. South Dennis Miracle Apadi our no summer Bawumia or no swab bonti at the end summer to Gyamfi Agyapadie book. Now, yes, some no intent you could see and somewhere Kweku Annan Bituga and Dennis Miracle Apadi. Limited liar at Mafia for a year. Agyapadie book here, unsem ayo hu unsem so de untimi enka yenti ensem a wan bi atu yenti wan
ni ehwe book no say tam ben and anamo munim say of forensics expert o manmu a we have forensics we have forensic do you know how we can see when my challenge come Dennis Miracle my challenge come ni ehwe how many times the book has been rewritten and then we juxtapose all the happenings in this book and to that of the implementation program, the roadmap of what has been implemented on the if you stand the test of truth. You rogues. Make can some program and nipa boom what I mean before in program now say. More respect in the name of your useless dirty politics. If you guys can make Ghanaians feel good, get out of our faces. Rubbish.
You are watching Juicy News on
Dennis
YouTube.
Miracle, we are full papa. Who better we are chasing your team? Are you serious? Abranti wepa. Who name the crabby can? Massa, come on, get out of the screens and give us a break. Absolutely rubbish. Look, there are lots. In spite of all that you guys are doing to Ghanaians, Ghanaians, some of us, we are sitting in our little corner thinking, maybe I guess that you need a cookies, a glass of milk with cookies to, calm down. Now, Besha say, hey, I didn't cry, we are a mouthpiece of that Achim mafia, and then let us know. Because they be Omoya no Madam Po, Sa John Kuma, Omo Yusuf John Kuma, the Yankwasi, Juma, yeah, Kayana John Kumenti, and where is John Kuma? His history, what in the DBO? Untini biom why history when him sent here Kweku Annan your man appointment so uncle Ministry of Finance was so uncle da and Kweku Annan reject here and Kweku Annan reject here say he will not take the ministerial appointment and I'm obviously God damn it, I have to control myself. And then Friday program papa. You see the rate at which I'm reducing the part to nothing as if though we are racked to mop the floor. And you continuously do this to us without any cause justification. You know what I mean? Any Kenya no. Any Nigeria no. Because of the way you treat the citizens. Let our colonial masters do this to us. Not one of us. No. That's unfair. That's very unfair. Now, I heard Dennis Miracle saying something. Osidiye. Papa no Senate one. Open say Okyehene said, you know what? When I picked this document, na ora no unko Senate ho. With him, my challenge you, I dare you, Dennis Miracles, come out and say this. Come, Madel, come with your bunch of lies. You want to perpetuate this falsifying lies on Yaya Koso. Me say, Ebra. Document not document, and make predictions. As the document forecast, as the document prophesy, that such a name will go to Senate. Nasa papa no onko ho. Osafuma afene ba no onko ho. Madel, come, ni en compare book no, ni enhwe book no. Say, tam ben and munim say of forensics expert o manmu a. We have forensics, We have forensic. Do you know how we can see when my challenge will come? Dennis Miracle, my challenge will come. How many times the book has been rewritten? And then we juxtapose all the happenings in this book. And this human being way try to tell us, no, we don't know. What time is it? And of course, so
watching news on YouTube.
Now,
hot news all time.
Agyapadie document, has been falsified, if you like. And that he goes on to say, Agyapadie document, has used and reproduced and reproduced. But the question may be, sir, Branty, Dennis Miracle, and say, Miracles, why have you sat for all this time we? Afina Wokasa, the India. Where was Dennis Miracles? Forget about how many years the document started surfacing. Documenting about 2017, documenting about 2020, documenting about saying 2023. Massam say the likes of Dennis Miracle namu wahe na me bawo what do you na twere e dia kra na ayem mafimu ka sei ha e dia pa na ayem a e dia na egum chem asembei na aba minie ba e dia pa na aba ama sabri wei mo ho hyehye mo ama mo ho e dere mo ho po e hyehye mo anase mo ho e yira mo ma ama intisabri mudi emirika mo ba be kase Dennis Miracles o kase e di India. Why have you waited all this while? Now what you now waiting? Huh? Dennis Miracles me say no otiho or ye. Now listen, you see that guy has always I've always watched this guy from a distance because minim da oba MPP mo. Minim time oba MPP, but me Kweku as growing up and having known all these young guys in MPP and no, me who say ya bareful abranti bia either say we free one of those university politics in the room. Because to tell some of these young chap in MPP omunim debe just say na me respect money and no more, you know, me abranti we no more. Mustafa Hamed no wo ho. John Boyd no mo ho. What do you call it? Oh, Faudimbra. Awukunu mo ho. There were a lot of guys. But Adeba Mintiasin is there. This guy always want to. It's as though a person BB to take a shine in the party, in the government. But Edri baby anafi upese. Woma wasema ubekano. Woma sebi. Anyansa funi na sebi ye woma anymore. Bia yenye MPP for no. Sebi previous. We look stupid. And I'm saying how? Did you who say document has been produced and reproduced? How many times? Really? And then it's Miracles. We are where? Unim dia wokano. Now then what all this while? I feel that when young Sakachiro say no, you need to come and respond to the document. Are you serious? Are you alright? Or you need some examination. Which one? Now maybe Ebusia yeah, something to almost one how God knows how many days, weeks, months, and years. Now it's about saying 4 to 5 months more to go to elections. And they deem it more prudent, they deem it important, they deem it very significant enough to speak to 1 million Ghanaians, like some of us, to do what? Hello? To say no, the document is a falsified, it's a falsification, or it's about somebody's figment of imagination, or what? What is it about? I want to know. You see, Sir Obi 8-year program in Unima Branti. Well, of course, this guy has been very busy this week. He's been very busy, pa. Your friend, is it Dennis Miracles, right? Okay. One can just on tuning and to say, Abranti, why are you very busy this week? Dennis Miracles. Now, what is wrong with this guy? But I could see that this guy has been extremely busy on the block. And I think that I saw him with Paul Admotre, a friend and a brother. Many problem with Paul. However, that Paul was trying to play his usual games and all of those stuff, any problem. But Dennis Miracles was quite a bit shocking though, isn't it? As it were, in his quest to try to, if you like, denigrate the deep understanding of well-thinking Ghanaians, like some of us sitting here. And this human being way try to tell us, no, we don't know. What time is it? I'm telling you, folks, Akufo-Addo bet distorted history on distorted. He cannot. He will not and may not and will not succeed in getting it done.
Say Agyapadie document a president akasa Edia found say nipa bi ene edi gu ne ho fi ene eye na manyuko. But do you think say enonko aye enough ana?
And I said book no nyanza bi ni.
Oh sir.
Oh, nyanza be map am gase metro. In the year 2017. In fact, my main phone quit kakra. Before 2016 election. Okay pa. Say NDC for explaining propaganda be say Ghana for to abama na dan Akufo-Addo. Obey capital town if free tebi. If you accra dia kwete tebi. Okay. Emma almost say so kai say some to abama na dan Akufo-Addo. Epo no. Obey epo if you accra no da kwete tebi. This is not new. In fact, after the President Akufo Beba Abemuno, NDC for Tróuble book be almost friend of the Great Ashanti Project. The Tróuble book, almost a whole book. Now, that conspiracy of mature Agyapadie, what they did was that they wrote a rendition in a book to make a point to say, Omampeni Kufo Beye Omampenia. Obey capital town nephew crying, no de Akokumase. Now, Obe Trapra Epo, if in Ponano are crying. Not the Kwaku Annan. They wrote a book like that. They actually wrote a book. Almost a book. At the Mazongo for catch a zongo for say President Akufo in the MPP. I don't want to say President Akufo power. Or Mubeyi zongo for the free Ghana. No more Makwa British. And also they did it. Now, Adebakwa explain was a Agyapadie book of whatever to say. So besides so man you want to incident. Did holes in the gaps be what kind of say? One person will be the wide media agra. Book no Makumako 4. In fact, so far my releasing versions Makumako 4. They are all kinds of see.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
First copy in 2020. First copy in 2020. Now that go for the 2020 na. Mark.
Yes sir, there be Nanado about 2020.
How do you write a book in 2020 and come and tell me, say, that book no a book and another in the family Troy ya. Omode buy say omode be run Ghana. And the will be them. Of course, the will be them because you wrote the book in 2020 and all you did was to compile stories, online news, stories in so many incidents and put it in the book. And since then, what they do is that the BBC pay no more update book no. No more release another copy. BBC pay no more update book no more release another copy. And that's why we have 4 copies. First copy no more release in 2020 no. 37 pages. The very, very first copy that they did on the 14th of January 2017 no, it was posted by one Andy, NDC boy dear friend Andy on Facebook. That document now we released in 2017. 13 pages. I'm a friend no, the Atim Mafia plan. 13 pages. The Atim Mafia plan. I'm releasing this book, no. Ankosiaga, because that was a compilation of all the things they said about Akufo-Addo before he came to power. Then in 2020, when they realized that Atim Mafia plan book, no, it was Owusu and fly, no. In some way, CC Waganda incidents between 2017 and 2020. I'm share book them. And I'm reading me book, no. That was the time. Now Minerals Income Investment Fund for a Japan project here. Now I buy pese oil for the mineral sector, no. Aba. And see, I'm reading me book, no. Agyapadie. Now let me tell you one interesting thing. Banking sector cleanup. AC Daben. I had 2018, 2019, 2020 banking sector cleanup. And see about the saying and another throw banking sector cleanup. I will book him answer about power. And you say or try answer about power. Amount of money, how much will book him 800 million cedis was received by the Ghana Amalgamated Trust. 800 received. Book a strategic document. And say now in past tense. Strategy document there. It looks into the future. It's a more of we will. But Oman dream won't see. I know what do boninti. Omo a mistake. And Omo no received. I don't know who. Now, my make December continue. The entire banking sector no much book criminal. A Bank of Ghana for statement of release here in 2019 on the banking sector, 30th April. And over time, we normally say book him. Kweku Annan, Professor Kweku Annan, this article of Troy, I was CDD for website. I'm cover the whole article word for word, verbatim. We normally say book him. Kweku Annan actually article in the year 2020. Kweku Annan article. Nana do Troy. Okay, first edition of the book. A whole chapter, insurance. Any book in almost the insurance book chapter no. In the second version of we release here no. Because assembly, it's what they do is that anytime assembly ABC no, it's here no matter what ABC book no. No more release another version. But it's not that one kind book in completely. Was there is not a single thing in that book. And yes, sorry, and I use a online portal. Not a single one. Not a single one. Then you know your issues that SEC and all my father with their book. Now say a friend is saying changes and another Kweku for the year was Senate. On your year changes and Moko updates here. It's with him. Oko for the current copy now and now social media now. We say the first edition is second edition. Senate changes, you know. And this our first edition is second edition. And our current edition of my channel. I don't know much more things are. And I'm deep on this. And I'm almost misleading professors in almost misleading doctors in almost misleading. Now you're a professor, now you're a doctor, now it's now we get the same collapse same way and mislead you and what was them. Because it is obvious when you pick the book and you read it, now you'll be we are objective ultimate to what kind of idea. We say it's just a compilation of stories and we say, hey, idea the whole book is being implemented to the extent that the former president himself is speaking about it. Because of Boneno, Medino, Okaho. Omo di bi Akufo, the Great Ashanti Project. Omo throw book Akufo, say Oba Pamuzongo for. Omo throw book, a printed bank statement Akufo independent for Ghana 2024 version of Modiabano, and the Agyapadie book. Nyankopo Hatas with the of Waboneso. It's Repano on your mobile.
Okay, but Dennis, Adiaba Kwame Anopena me express it, and it's a bookie, a bondi pedding, Sabi, a nipa titru in our society, including the president himself. President a commented, I want to bookie your book be a nipa bonifubi. Abomode say, Wamode, tarnishing image, and almost be good not buying a hoofy. Okyehene akasa ediafa booking we said the nipa bi aboma dwen po se on beso mo ye bibi edigu omofe edie na ese wo kwan say ye be taking the necessary action na the source of the book ye gidi sa egu sa nipa titire hu fi no said ya wo kan na nka ye betimi ede akwako gina amana do krampo
necessary action main nipa odi bone nipa owia odi bone wan zi awati wan adie o so no pa no ma here omo update
but so winimo that is what I remember yemubi we defended heavily on our program so morning show you so say obi be tender Agyapadie document no especially nipo di kan de mami me hu document your friend yawa sanita no oya me panel member ama menen wo me program so just say mentos because I was defending say mean to me authenticated the source of our book. It is there's a president at Timaba. Say idea where we have a good hufi. People are sitting on live television shows, radio live discussions. At the Agyapadie book, I have one reference document. Can we sit down just to let it go?
Why not Kwaku Bitano? Embra, omo ye video of another than Akufo-Addo in the past 2015, 2016. Say, Omiemi Obi, say omo ye Photoshop Nanado pictures omo kan aka say Nanado pia na yere ato from one ekuru ni ade nyina no why uko mu no why and social media uko bisa why. That's a question I'm asking you.
I agree with you, but I still maintain was here you because nipa that's a nikuta book no hope senadoye of a bookie reading page by page. It is on authenticating the source of the book, reading it page by page. Yet to me and find some as a bookie, the walking can woman bodin with me. Be a saying that etie. Rather than say be a bejano, if said the aye can no cry.
My confused kakra from me. Say, ya tro obi akose demu. Ena watcho book akoto abonten. Book no ya hwem nyansa bi anim. Ye hu say stories e online. And you no cry say Nanado sesa Senate region say ye.
No cry.
And so big kabum not the story. What is the news about it? What is it? That's what I'm saying. Say, if you read the book with an open mindset, you realize that the book is nothing. It's of no value. What the impression the book wanted to create was that and Kofebi was said they moved 2015, 2016, no more to a Ghana befaso. And at the almost training na ebim, say a story is a wabon thing that no market kabum. Is it not true say bank is attacking na buy? I don't agree.
And then also has been captured in the book.
Because the book is a compilation of reports. The point they are making is that the book is no strategy document. That is all. That is the point we are making. A compilation of a report. The head of our story. Now say, Omako update book no much show we say. Dennis Miracle Sabuaje and Magderi Ebedim Komo on the 6th of August. I will need radio. Now we'll book him. Hey, almost try and Abemo una waste full time. Because it's not on the updates our book our part on the abim. That's what we are saying. What's the a useless document if I so be so there is of no value and essence. That's all.
You wait for winning and somewhere here Kweku Annan editor on a Dennis Miracle Boy. Nina a year Agyapadie bookings and Simo aye and Sembe Bray. Because just so and our hello. So you can subscribe here. Wabɔdam say we subscribe to the channel. Now if you want like it, now if share video no more of Frosuna when you be here now we and some more Akoto. Also be to actually what Gyamfi and some way now I will comment boxing. But in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.